And now the start date. So again, go to this cell, which is H3, and Control Shift down arrow. Go to this Home tab, Number section. You can use a drop down if you're new. And since it's made for beginners as well, I'm going to use here. Let's use long date or maybe short date. You can use variety of date formats as per conventionally used in your department or in your business line. Here you can select from multiple, there are multiple options already here. And you can also custom format this date according to your liking for better ease of communication. Now, okay, this column is also fine for right now. And then going to L3 cell, and then again Control Shift down arrow, selecting this column. And I don't like that there's so many decimal points here. It does not make sense. It makes it really hard for me to make sense of these numbers quickly. It rather makes the whole thing very tedious, clumsy, and I don't like that. So I want this to be represented by only up to 2 decimal points, nothing more than that. Apart from that, I also don't like that these 3 columns, numbers columns, are not center aligned. So they need to be center aligned, and I'm going to use the center alignment. This column, if you see, right now it's bottom aligned. If I press this middle line, it will show us this. So if the cell height or the row height is inappropriate, then we can make some tweaks. Right now, I don't need it because that's not the case for me, because the rows were already by default in optimum height. So I don't need that. I just need to do the center alignment. That is, for the column, the data needs to be placed in the center. Likewise, for the start date, I'm going to select the entire column and center align it, and for the tenure as well. For the text, I feel the left alignment is fine. All right. And then save the data. Now that we have eyeballed our data a bit, we know the kind of data we have. We have the employee data set with us with various columns. We have 13 columns here, and all the key usual information that we find in our employee data set